Welcome back, BC Gamers. Ngayon, tatry natin ang isa pang favorite game natin para ma-meet yung ating wager requirements. Again, to unlock the bonuses that awaits you from this game. So let's try easy blackjack. Okay, dito sa easy blackjack, basically, wag ka lang magkaroon ng 21, no, sa dealer. So let's try to bet 400 pesos that the dealer won't surpass 20, and we will get 13% return. Okay, so that's a push. Oops. Let's repeat the bet. So let's see this one. So again, wag lang mag 21 yung dealer. Okay, that's a win. It's a 52 pesos win. Let's try another. Ooh, the dealer looks like a Filipina. So let's check this out. Kung mananalo tayo. 16? That's good. 17 is under 20. So let's try another one. Again, more likely than not, we will have a push or we will win. But at times, of course, the dealer get a blackjack or a total of 21. Then you loses. 13? 21. So that's the time we lose. So let's try to increase our bet to 4 times of our previous bet. So there's a commenter, Pogo Chinese company, mga gambling din. Okay, that's one win. Let's try another one. So again, at times, ito yung game na favorite natin so that we could up our wagering requirements to unlock the bonuses that we want. 14? 21. So that's a bad luck. So let's try to quadruple times our previous bet. Let's put some sounds.
Usually sa start lang ng shoe yung ano.
So confirmed, she's a Filipina. Okay.
Pag kakakuha pa lang ng shoe, talagang lalabas mga 20.
Let's chat.
Basta pangit. Pero kapag tumagal na yan, tingnan mo, puro bust na. That's our ghost. 3, 13.
That's a good one. Let's try another one for the one last time.
That's our ghost. 10,
12. That's it. So mga ka-BC, join na.